How to play Pot Limit Omaha Poker. Pot Limit Omaha Poker is a variation of poker in which the players are dealt with 4 or 5 hole cards instead of the 2 dealt in Texas Hold'em. The aim is to make the best 5-card poker hand using 3 community cards and 2 compulsory hole cards, unlike Hold'em where usage of 2 hole cards is not necessary. Let's dive into basics and understand the card rankings. The lowest rank hand has no peers and is called high card. It is followed by a pair, which is 2 cards of the same rank, and thereafter by 2 pairs. Then comes 3 of a kind. Players can beat any of these hands by making a straight, which is composed of the 5 sequential cards that are not of the same suit. A flush is even stronger than a straight and is made with any 5 cards of an identical suit. The next strongest card is a full house and is formed by 3 of a kind plus a pair. The highest hands of strength in Pot Limit Omaha Poker are 4 of a kind, straight flush and royal flush respectively. Let's see an example of PLO using a gameplay. The dealer is marked with the dealer button and the gameplay begins in the clockwise direction with respect to the dealer. The player seated left of the dealer is called a small blind and the player left to the small blind is called the big blind. The small blind and the big blind pull in their bets before the cards are distributed. The value of big blind should be double than that of small blind. Once the blinds are posted, the players are dealt with 4 or 5 cards one at a time, starting with the small blind. These cards are known as hole cards. Once the cards are dealt, the first pre-betting round called the pre-flop begins. The first act begins with the player seated next to the big blind. He is called under the gun. If the player wishes to play the game, he or she must either call, that is, match the previous bet amount or raise. The minimum amount a person can raise in PLO is equivalent to the previous bet. In this case, you can raise by a minimum of 20 points since the previous bet was for 20 points. Like the name states, the maximum raise that a person can do is the value equivalent to the pot. To figure this out, add up the pot plus the bet plus your call. The person is allowed to bet the total amount in addition to his or her call, meaning the total maximum bet, in this case, is 90. The person can raise any amount in between the minimum and the maximum raise amount. The calculation may sound difficult at first, but has a simple math behind it. To understand the maximum bet that can be done by the person, just multiply the previous bet by 3 and add all the previous bets on the table and add the pot value. Under the gun calls for 20 points. Player D folds, that is, he decides to quit the table since he feels he will not be able to form a good hand. Player E calls. Player F also calls. The betting round is complete once all the players have called. Once the betting round is complete, the dealer reveals 3 cards on the table known as the flop. The flop contains 3 community cards which players can use in combination with their 2 hole cards to form a good hand. After this, the second round begins with the first of the remaining player left of the dealer. Once the player is in the first position, they have 3 options. Option 1 is to check and pass the opening action to the next player. Option 2 is to bet an amount equivalent to big blind up to all of the players' chip is all in. Option 3 is to fold and leave the table, which will pass the action to the next player. Player A decides to bet 20 points. Player B decides to raise it to the maximum bet, that is 3 into 20 plus 110. Player C calls. Player E folds. Player F calls. The betting round ends when all the players have checked in that particular round. The dealer then reveals the 4th community card known as the turn. The player actions are now identical to the previous round. The dealer now reveals the last community card known as the river. The final betting round called showdown takes place. All remaining players in the game reveal their cards. The winner is the player who has the best 5-card combination, which includes 2 whole cards. In this case, Mr. F is the winner since the cards form a straight flush. Thank you for watching. And now that you know how to play Omaha Poker, head to the Fells and start your journey today.